Yes, welcome again. The previous video we discussed the lookup of formulas specifically with the VLOOKUP formula. Now, let's embark on the other formula, which will be a type of combination ones. This will be called the index and match. Index and match formula. Now, with the index and matching formula is like we also have the table array. Let's say here we've got our table array like this one. We have got the grades for Z, starting with the 0, this grade F, 21, 41, 61, 81. This is B, no. This is, let's start here. A, B, C, D, and F. Also, let's put it here. We've got the grades: excellent, good, average, weak, and poor. Now, the task is so easy as follows. Being meant with whatever formula functions, we have to start with the equal sign. Here we are told there is index and match. Simply, index, you highlight the area where your possible answers are there. So you write there index. Let's use caps. Index. Even though we write with the small letters, there's no problem. Index. So here, for instance, I'm in need of grades. So the grades are here. I have to lock this range by pressing F4 on the keyboard. Now, initial, to make it easy understood, this one, 89, it matches with this 80, 81. Now, in this range, this is row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, and row 5. So this one, it matches with row number 5. If I write there 5 and close the brackets, then the answer is A. Now, we cannot write, because each number has got its own row to match with. So this writing, this is the row number, will be very tedious. Index is okay, but this one will match with which row here to get the correct answer. So this is a bit tedious. Now, what's matching? Let's see it. Match. With match, it's like this way. Match. What thing do you want to match? This one. Where? The lookup array. We are told the lookup array. The lookup array is this one. You click F4 to lock the cell. Then, matching also, there are of two types. If you want the exact, the less than, you press 1. The exact match 0, greater than, -1. So, since we want the matching, which is in the groupings, we'll leave it as it is. If we close the brackets, then we are told that matching this one matches with the row number 5 in this range. So with index and match, now what comes? Simply we do like as follows. Start with O. To make it easy to understand, the place where we wrote 5, Then we copy this formula to get 5 and we paste it here. How does it happen? For instance, here we'll copy it, the entire formula, then we come with it here. The place of 5 here, we press our formula ma. Then if we press, the answer will be that much, A. So here is like in Excel we call it index match nesting the formulas. We have 2 formulas, the first one for indexing and the second for matching. We've combined them and got the one formula. So simply this was splitting the formula for further understanding. So in summary way, in combining form, we can say is we want to index the area with our answers here. You lock it, comma. How do we reach the exact answer for this one? Then you have to match. What do we want to match? We match this value. Where? This, then in my, so long as this is number, should be matched with these numbers. Then you close the brackets 2 times because this one closes this one and this one closes this one. Then if you close, that will be our answer. And if we were to match something like the names where we will need the exact match, then we'll have comma and finally 0 for exact match. Let's imagine we have written there 0. We are told not available. Because if here we could have 89, then we would get A. Because we want the very exact match, 89 with 89. So long as these gradings are grouped into several groups, that is why we don't put there 0 for exact match, so that we want the approximate match, like this way. Now, what if we want the grades? So the grades, here the area where we say index, this should change from this area to this area. So what do? We change this area by 2 ways. We highlight this area, then lock the cell, then we've got our grades. So if you click there, you will see this, the blue color, the index one, and this one, the other color is for the matching area. Now, it has been a bit tedious to select each column separately. Now, what if we want to make it flexible to choose by itself? Then I want to welcome you for the next video for solving these kinds of complications. Thank you.